Alright guys, here's a cheap way to do a shelf for your Stampede, your RT-590. Unless you want to pay the $100 for the Rectech one, which I didn't want to do. No thank you. Plus they were out of stock on it, but I'm not paying $100 for a shelf. It's right here. What it is, these brackets. Right here. I got these for $19 out the door on Amazon. And it just goes in the bolt hole for the legs. Had to drill it out a little bigger. But and then you can put whatever top you want on it. I got a piece of aluminum here. But you could use wood, whatever you want. You know what I mean? So, and then you just got these buttons here. You push. Just push that in, and it'll drop. And then you want it up, you just lift it up. Hell yeah, stainless too. Stainless brackets. Because I drilled them, like I said, they're hard to drill. I drilled through the bolts here. Well, there's two holes, but I had to make them bigger, 1/4 inch. I got 1/4 20 nuts there. But yeah, I'll put the link below for the brackets. And like I say, a lot of people use wood for the top, but I wanted to use something that I'm not gonna have to deal with staining it and all that kind of stuff. Let's put the camera down here. Let's see. You just hit the button and it drops down. Pinch your fingers in. It's plenty sturdy. Put whatever you're gonna put on it. So, just wanted to do a quick video on that. Like I say, you're just using the one bolt hole for the that you do for the normal shelf that comes with it. That's it. I'll put the links below for the brackets. Thanks for watching.